In this video, I will be showing you how to change the style of a Napkin AI visual. Let's get started. I'll start with my content optimization workflow text and click the lightning bolt icon on the left to generate our first visual. Once the diagram appears, I can browse the AI suggestions panel to see various ways this data can be displayed. I'm going to hover over several layouts, from funnels to interlocking circles, to see which one communicates the process best. To get more specific, I'll open the Categories menu and explore the Process section, where I can find flowcharts and different visual frameworks. I'll click on More Suggestions to expand the library and see unique variations of the current design. Now, I'll choose this colorful horizontal layout and use the menu on the right to customize it further. By selecting Swap Layout, I can quickly cycle through different graphic styles while keeping my content intact. I'll try out a few options with different arrow shapes and circle highlights until I find a style that looks polished and professional. I really like this numbered timeline, so I'll select it as my primary visual. If I want a completely fresh look, I can simply go back to the text and hit that lightning bolt again to restart the generation. I'll pick one last minimalist style from the updated suggestions to finalize the workflow. And there you have it. That's the complete process of changing the style of a Napkin AI visual.